Don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Welcome, family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we're exploring the rise of Jamaican food trucks in Florida, where the flavors of Jamaica are on wheels and in high demand in practically every city in Florida. I recently took a short trip around Central Florida and one in South Florida, where I noted some food trucks, and I want to share that experience with you guys. But these trucks, not only do they meet the growing demand for authentic Jamaican cuisine, but they also showcase our cultural pride. If you are living in Florida, let me know in the comment section what city you are in and if there are any food trucks where you are.
That's jerk chicken and jerk pork you can
Okay.
get outside of Jamaica. Use a wood-fired smoker to do our jerk.
How would they find you?
Absolutely. You could go to Instagram and you can look for authentic Jamaican jerk, or you can give us a call at 954-471-7196 or send us a text message. But we are at Commercial and 441 every Friday.
There is a food truck in the neighborhood. It's called Authentic Jamaican Jerk Company. That looks so good.
Okay. We have the curry goat over here. Jamaican style.
Okay.
And we have the oxtail right here also.
There's a food truck that is owned and operated by Leo and Sasha. I'm going to highly recommend them.
We actually run a Jamaican restaurant in Ohio, in Cincinnati, for the past 18 years. We've operated out of Cincinnati. Wow. So, and then this is just our mobile version of our restaurant that we have here. Yes.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sir, would you mind talking to me for a minute about your business?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. This is your food truck that you operate?
Yes, my lady.
Okay. What inspired you to start operating a food truck?
What inspired me basically, I couldn't find food when I just moved to Florida, so I say,
Okay.
let's do a food truck so I can at least bring some good and tasty food to the people in my community.
Right. And how has that been going?
Been excellent so far.
Okay. What are the dishes that you serve?
So we have a full menu with oxtail, curry goat, curry chicken, brown stew chicken, jerk pork.
Great. Any last words for our customers, sir?
Come and check us out.
Family, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I'm so looking forward to reading your comments on what city you're living in Florida, and tell me all about the food trucks that are operating in your area. Until next time, ciao.